An open meadow to Hamburg's southeast. Not just any meadow, but a very special spot that holds a particular challenge. 160,000 square meters of land. The building site of the GVZ Hamburg Moorfleet. In Germany's second largest city, a Fiege Mega Center is being built. The particular challenge? Land that can bear the weight of a building only starts at a depth of 8 to 15 meters in Moorfleet's marshlands. The solution, 17,500 CMC concrete pillars support the foundations. Complex preparations are required to provide sufficient support for the buildings, access roads and yards. After preparing the building ground, the actual construction work commences on an area measuring 70,000 square meters in size. A complex of halls will be built with an option for enlargement, as well as a 6-story office building that will merge all current Hamburg-based sites of the Fiege Group. 100,000 cubic meters of soil will be moved in the immediate vicinity of the motorway junction between the A1 and the A25. The shell of the halls, creating 40,000 square meters of warehouse and logistics space, rises high. The first building phase of one of the most advanced and elaborate logistics buildings of the Fiege Group is under construction. The GVZ Hamburg Moorfleet persistently follows the latest and future demands of warehouse logistics. A wide range of supply chain requirements for tires, spirits, candles and food logistics can be handled in Hamburg. The final construction phase for the shell, prior to completing the interior of the halls. Simultaneously, the administration building is being created. A total of 250 staff will be in charge of the smooth logistical flow of operations for customers like Bridgestone, Borco, Gies and others. The infrastructure for the administration, from wiring to handrails during installation. May the work commence. The double glazing for the facade of the office building is being installed and the interior fitting of the halls gets underway. 950 tons of steel in the shape of high bay storage racks are put up. Every hall has its own sprinkler unit and independent supply of water for fighting fires. Safety is paramount. The sprinkler unit requires an excess of 42 kilometers of conduits and 21,000 sprinklers. Even if weather conditions are extreme, work continues around the clock to meet the schedule of completion. The Fiege Mega Center Hamburg is hooked up to the grid as planned. The start of operations on a gross storage area of 70,000 square meters. One of the most important customers, Bridgestone. Bridgestone's portfolio is represented by 2,000 items at the GVZ Hamburg Moorfleet. Around 500,000 tires are in storage here. The daily rate of incoming and outgoing goods between 12,000 and 20,000 tires. 5,000 square meters of office space amidst what is a very favorable location for transportation. From here, Fiege employees can ensure the optimum availability of goods and a maximum degree of flexibility through steady and high-quality logistics for highly diversified customers. A further 45,000 rack spaces are available. A matter of course for Fiege, value-added services, such as pre-assembly of cardan shafts for Saab, or order picking and distribution of spirits for Borco. Candles by Gies are stored in a dedicated segment of the hall on up to 38,000 pallets. A Fiege Mega Center of the superlative. In sight, Hamburg Harbor. A further guarantor for strong growth rates. The GVZ Hamburg Moorfleet, already a success story, and there is plenty of space for further chapters.